When thinking about how to answer this question, I started like most of us would do to type on Gemini or prompt. We all know that AI can be a great source for idea generation and provide a little help. Of course, the topic is already on my plan in my mind and some concrete examples to provide. And of course, it would be great to have the input from AI as a starting point. But today's topic is a bit different, and I'm going to answer: can we still do marketing without the help of AI? Stay tuned to find out. Technology is at the core of every industry and every function, and marketing is no exception. For the past 2 decades, I built my career at the intersection of both marketing and technology, working in industries that focus on improving other people's lives and even businesses. So it has not been a big of a leap for me to embrace all the way that marketing has evolved. First, let's talk about human creativity and intuition. Human creativity is characterized by its ability to think outside the box, generate original ideas. These qualities are essential for creating successful marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience on an emotional or deeper level. A marketer can use intuition, experience, and empathy to build trust, inspire loyalty, and to build following. For example, if you want to create a campaign on a Nike shoe, I would have already envisioned the creative visual to include a static design element to showcase the Nike shoe, and of course, not forgetting on the copywriting to persuade my audience to check it out and buy. Creative direction, curation, and strategy are still human-needed skills. Being able to look at the big picture, zoom in into the details, and making a game plan to execute the whole thing. That sort of multi-dimensional thinking isn't really possible using just AI alone. The tools of the trade is always evolving, but working on your creative thinking, writing a strong concept brief, practicing on your problem-solving skills, those are the versatile and transferable skills that will help you stay on top of your game and the industry. How to do this? You can boost your creativity by exposing yourself to different perspectives, opinions, and experiences. This can help you broaden your creative thinking, imagination, and visualization. You can do this by going to a museum, reading magazines that are outside of your usual domain of interest. Moreover, human creativity is not constrained by the limitations of pre-existing data. While AI relies on historical data to make predictions and decisions, human creativity can envision entirely new possibilities and innovate beyond the current trends. This ability to imagine and create something new is what makes human creativity irreplaceable in marketing. Good marketers need classic skills that will remain relevant even in the age of Gen AI. For instance, you need to understand your target buyer, identify their personas, and know what sort of business challenges you need to solve. With this information, you can use them to formulate your targeting strategy and help to craft the best possible messaging to reach your audience. Ensuring your team is empowered with the basic skills and soft skills such as communication, problem solving, critical thinking, collaboration, leadership, and emotional intelligence will ensure a more successful and well-rounded team. When it comes to doing research and deriving data for your marketing, you still can rely on manual methods, surveys, focus groups, and even industry reports. This is advantageous and it offers deeper human-driven insights and can be more qualitative. This is unlike AI, where you just type a prompt on ChatGPT and it will produce a well-researched data information. Although it may be updated, but it may lack the numbers and figures from human respondents. Another example of having basic skills is content copywriting. When it comes to content copywriting, it is best to keep to the best practice, which is clear, concise, compelling, and credible. Most importantly, you need to incorporate storytelling so that it conveys relatability and foster emotional connection with your audience. These are important because no artificial intelligence can replicate this. With audiences rapidly fragmenting across the media landscape, it's essential for marketers to focus on innovative new strategies that will create value for customers and drive growth for businesses. This type of big picture thinking is something AI simply can't do. Think about it. We still do create marketing strategies and develop business plans to ensure the success of marketing efforts. There is no denying that humans are still the driving force to ensure success for any business. While we have technologies to help us, the artificial intelligence may not have the foresight, prediction, or even original plans or ideas to start with. Whether it's right or wrong, we work in a business world that more frequently values big picture thinking. Many people or companies look for leaders who are visionary and have big ideas. We pay homage to people like we pay homage to people who can dream up new businesses or disrupt industries. Therefore, marketers who want to be thought as a contributing to strategy or moving the needle for business to be able to see the big picture. By continually monitoring your marketing and assessing consumer behavior, marketers can make informed decisions and position themselves as leaders in the field. At the end of the day, marketing needs a human touch. This is something that transcends data points and even algorithms. It is about relating to your audience to understand your brand and also make them buy your products. Whether it is in the form of empathy in understanding a customer's needs, or to project authenticity, or to engage, these elements are the essence of the human touch, an intangible quality that AI struggles to imitate. While AI excels at processing vast amounts of data and optimizing marketing campaigns, it lacks the emotional aspects that consumers are looking for. We live in a world that is oversaturated with noise, whether it's marketing or content. However, it's the human touch that cuts through this and makes your brand stand out in the minds of consumers. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Do we still need AI to thrive, or can we coexist the two, traditional marketing and also using technology? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment. And if you like today's topic, give us a like and follow my channel for value added content. Till then, I'll see you again.